Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Uber Eats driver app for maximizing tips, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the Uber Eats driver app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, this is the App Store. For Android users, look for the Google Play Store. Tap on the App Store icon to open it. In the search bar, type Uber Eats driver. Press enter or tap the search icon. Find the Uber Eats driver app in the search results. Make sure it is the official app published by Uber Technologies Incorporated. Tap on the app icon to open its details page. Look for the download or install button. Tap on the button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an open button or the app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to launch the Uber Eats driver app. If you're a new user, tap on Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Provide any required documents, such as your driver's license and vehicle registration. Once your account is set up, you'll receive notifications about activation. After your account is activated, log into the app. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface and features. To start earning tips, make sure to accept delivery requests promptly. Keep your profile and vehicle information updated in the app. Regularly check your ratings and feedback to improve your service. Now you're ready to maximize your tips as an Uber Eats driver. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.